世一會計專業到位。
歡迎大家收睇新一集嘅北美稅網學堂。今日我哋要講一講呢個 One Big Beautiful Bill 嗰個新嘅稅法入邊，好多人都好關心嘅一個議題就係 Low Tax on Tips 呢個議題。咁呢一個議題咧，究竟係咪真係咁吸引咧？即係好多人打工咧，可能係做餐館或者做一啲 Uber 啊呢啲咁嘅行業咧，其實咧你都會收到 tips 嘅。係咪真係 Low Tax on Tip有咁大幫助咧？我哋一齊探討下。首先我哋講一講呢一個餐館嗰啲同事或者朋友啊，收到嘅 tips 咧，按道理嚟講咧係要交稅嘅。咁但係新嘅稅法之下咧，係豁免咗你交稅嗰個可能性。咁但係講真，免稅嘅嘢而家免嘅只係聯邦稅，一州咧係冇承認到呢一樣嘢嘅。而呢一個新嘅稅法咧，佢嗰個巧妙之處咧就係佢係用一種叫做 below the line deduction 嘅形式出現。咁係咩意思咧？就係佢會同一啲叫做qualified business income deduction 嘅位置一樣。咁你即係話你嗰個州稅咧依然都係 taxable 嘅，只不過佢就喺聯邦上邊豁免咗呢一個 taxable income 啫。咁州嗰度依然大家都要交稅嘅。咁至於開 Uber 即係或者你 self-employed 可能係大家做指甲啊、剪頭髮啊，咁呢個收到嘅 tips 翻嚟咧係點樣嘅形式咧？首先呢一樣嘢咧將會係一個below the line deduction， 就同你做餐館攞 W2 嗰啲人咧係一樣嘅。聽落去咧話 no tax on tip 啦，咁其實咧如果你收到嘅係1099嘅話咧，大家留意翻呢一個 income 咧，其實都係需要交 self-employment tax 嘅。咁嘅意思即係話你 federal income tax 係可以豁免你嗰個 self-employment tax 不能豁免，你個 state income tax 都不能豁免。係啦，咁歡迎大家有問題可以喺下低留言或者諮詢我，多謝大家。